Hello everyone, welcome to the Quick Learn series on building a website with Portfoliobox. Today we're focusing on a crucial aspect, creating pages. You can create a variety of pages, each designed to serve a different purpose. Let's dive in and create a couple of pages together. First, let's create a gallery page. To do this, we'll start by going to the top menu and clicking on Create. From the page selector, click on Gallery. You'll see a range of templates. Let's choose Dynamic Grid for a modern and fluid look. Now it's time to give our gallery a title. Let's call it Portrait. Next, we have the option to add this page to the menu. We'll keep the switch toggled. Finally, click Create, and voila, our gallery page is set up. The next step is to upload some images. Here, you could start with sample images, but we'll go ahead and click on Upload Your Images. Select the photos we want to showcase and upload them. Now, let's create a second page, a text-based page to tell visitors more about you or your work. Again, we'll go to the top menu and click Create. This time, select Text and Contacts from the page selector. Browse through the templates and choose one you like. We'll pick Half Screen, which pairs a text section with an image to the left. Let's title this page About. After entering the title, click Create, and our text page is now live. To personalize the text, double-click on the text area, and you can start typing your story, what inspires you, or details about your services. And that is all. In just a few simple steps, we've created 2 essential pages for our portfolio website. Thanks for watching, and happy website building with Portfoliobox.